What's up YouTube, my name is Rabi Barry Jones and welcome to my channel. Okay, so in this video today we're going to do a tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a round text. Yes, a round text. So I have my image here and I downloaded this image from unsplash.com. You can check unsplash.com for all your stock images and quality images, anything. They have literally anything. Yes, and this is not a sponsored work, but then I just love their website. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to create a round and we're going to take the ellipse tool. Yes, sorry. Then make sure we scale it up or open it up to match the middle of at this point I just want the text that we're going to do go round inside the glory thing that we have here. I've forgotten this thing's name. Seriously, I've forgotten it. But then not to worry, you make sure the circle is right in the middle. Then after doing that, you select your text tool. So the text tool here, then you see there's this blue color at the edge of the circle. Just take the cursor right there and you're going to see that the cursor is going to change to like a curly line right there. So if you can see what I'm seeing here, yes, then you click on it, so automatically the text is going to go around the whole shape. So let me change this to white. Yes, so this is what you're going to have when you click on the cursor around on the circle. Then after that, you're going to type what you want to type. So I'm going to type glow, or yeah, glory. Like I'm going to type a lot of glory. So glory, like that. Glory, and another glory. So more glories like this. Then I'm just going to make sure I'm okay with the way the position and everything is. For me, I'm going to like open it, scale it up, make sure it is cool, and I mean that I'm loving the process and everything. Okay, so then after that, I mean, this is literally it. You're done. You can just turn off the ellipse and you're done with the whole round text. So after doing this, if you want to add any effect to the glory text that you just did, for me, I'm going to add a glow to it, so outer glow, and I'm going to choose red, even though the glow that we have on the round thing is more like a yellow, or more like a yellow red orange type of thing. Then I'm just going to work with the adjustments just a little bit, and yeah. So guys, this is basically it. This is basically the way you have to go through, or like if you want to create like a round text. It is very basic and there's not much stress in it. So guys, that will be it for the tutorial. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.